Let me tell you how I dyed my hair from this to this using Sally Beauty. I get bored pretty easily with my hair and I have been wanting a change but wanted some professional advice on how to go about it. I remembered Sally Beauty offers a free consultation with their licensed colorist on demand feature. I went to their website and clicked the licensed colorist on demand box and provided them with my name and email. They then connected me with Damien. We talked through how I could get to a silverish blonde color for my hair.
First things first, we're gonna have to get you light enough. So I suggest a cream lightener, and it lifts 9+ levels.
He then provided color options for me to choose from. After we finished, he sent over a link to my cart with all the products I needed to use, plus an email with step-by-step instructions on how to dye my hair. I went to the closest Sally Beauty store near me and picked up my supplies. Then it was time to head home and get to work. Honestly, at first, I was a little bit nervous to do this on my own, but with Damien's instructions, I felt confident that I could do this. And I am so happy with how this turned out. If you're thinking about dyeing your hair but wanting help, you should head over to Sally Beauty's website and use their licensed colorist on demand feature. It is truly a game changer.